Here's the opening range recap for Tuesday, October 11th. Looking at the NQ first. NQ first here had a loss on both 25 and 50. First pivot, making this a most safe 25% entry. Basically hit it when it ticked lower and popped. So you got 13 points on a most safe 25% entry on the NQ. That's the only most safe entry for today. ES had one pivot hit. That was a win for both the 25 and the 50. And then the Dow had one pivot hit, got the 25. It actually missed the 50 by one tick. It hit it on the micros, but missed it on the minis. And then came up here. This was after 11, but wouldn't have mattered anyways. It wasn't a most safe trade. So only most safe trade is the NQ. If you're doing the 50% retracement or the what I'm calling the OPR runners, which is hits the first pivot and then you sell in this position, it wouldn't have triggered anything there. The ES did trigger here, but this was after 10. I actually had a stop up here. The reason for that is a 4-point stop, and this were fairly close. I don't like to have them so close to the opening range. Did end up coming down to the 86 and getting a win, and you would have stopped out on the last. And then on the Dow, Dow just happened a few moments ago, came down again and missed the 50% by one tick on the minis. It hit it on the micros. I was actually trading the micros and got filled on the 270. Hit the pivot here, so that would be worth 50 points there, and then hit pivot 2 up here, so the remaining if you did it. Again, this pivot hit happened well after 10. I don't like to trade those in general, but I was watching the market and went really, really small on it. So anyway, that is the recap for today. Again, most safe 13 points on the NQ. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.